My name is Emery Mbona, working for Zikubu TV. This is the end of the week dedicated to the Burundian Diaspora. How do you appreciate this?
First, I'm Pastor Benjamin Naimana. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa Diaspora. Really, it was amazing. I was really impressed for this Diaspora week, and then it went well.
How?
I enjoyed myself. I met other people from all over in the country, and then the speech from the president and the other honorable people who presented what they are doing in the country. Really, they are on the speed of working in the country.
Yeah, exactly. When the vision of the country, 2040, 2060, what is your contribution for the success of that vision?
I decided myself to contribute something in this vision of 2040 and 2060. On my side, I found that I'm behind, far away. That's why I decided myself, I have to start something afresh in the country so that we can build our country together for this vision we have in the country.
Exactly, something like that?
I'm preparing now to start farming, and then I'm preparing now to buy at least one cow or a goat or a rabbit, so that at least I can contribute in development of the country.
One goat, one rabbit,
yes.
You have the vision 2040 emerging country, 2060 developing country. Really, one goat, one cow, can that develop the country?
My brother, I believe it can help a lot, because if I count how many people were here, if everybody can have one cow, one goat, one rabbit, all of us, if we put together, we can reach our target of 2040 and 2060.
Diaspora Week celebrated exactly after you got new leaders, right?
Yes.
How do you appreciate them? Really, are they going to drive you to that vision according to you?
Brother, I believe and I have a confidence that our leaders will take us to another step. The reason why I'm saying like this, if I see the vision of our leader, it shows that whoever is working with him, it will take us to another step. I'm proud of them, and then I believe that we will achieve something.
And the leader, the president of Diaspora, has installed a new committee which is going to help him. How do you appreciate the committee that he has put in place?
I appreciate the committee because the way he selected his committee, it showed that he was very wise men to select them, because when I see them, they are men and the women who are committed to the work and they who want to push our diaspora to another step of level.
Do you think everybody he puts into his committee is able to drive the country to the vision?
According to my understanding, I agree and then I support his committee, and then I assure you that for years to come, you will see the result of what we're doing.
There's probably an appeal you can give to other people who have not responded to this Diaspora Week, or to anybody in general, right?
Now, I want to tell them, whoever they are, it's enjoyable to be at home, number one. Number two, to meet other people from other diaspora. When you're sitting together, chatting, exchanging some ideas is very interesting. And then I want to tell them that they may prepare themselves to come to Burundi to support the vision of our president, and to come to support our diaspora wherever they are in the world.
Thank you, Pastor.
Thank you very much. May God bless you, brother.
Can you introduce yourself quickly?
My name is John Duimana, and I live in the United States, a ville called Las Vegas, Nevada. And I have a business, information technology businesses. I do it there in the United States. I have been doing it for quite some time. I have been in the US for over 20 some years. And I'm prepared to move back in Africa, to help Africa move, especially our country Burundi, in terms of technology and digitalization.
Yes, Joe from Las Vegas, right? This is the end of Diaspora Week, organized and by the ministry with the Diaspora as well.
Yes.
How do you appreciate this week?
Oh, it's the best week. It's my first time attending. I'm very happy and enthusiastic about actually doing what I prepared to do, and even doing more, because the Excellency give us a word to actually encourage us to do more for the country. So that's basically what we're going to do.
Yeah, right. That's basically what you're going to do. You've got just new leaders in diaspora. Samuel Ndayiragije as the head chief, right? How do you appreciate the new leaders?
This is new leadership. We say that it's a diaspora which is not sleeping. Yeah. That was our theme. Yeah. So in that case, I'm prepared to participate in bringing a 5G network to our country. In that process, we're not interested in a big city. We're interested in a small city whereby the young people can be able to access technology, can be access the internet, can be able to go to YouTube, to this TV, without coming to Bujumbura. They can be in Bwambarangwe, and they're going to be able to access YouTube. That's my goal. So we're hoping that in the next few months, we're going to be able to introduce the project. We're going to be introducing the technology. It's called Private Network LTE. That's 5G.
Exactly. I was asking about the new leaders with Samuel Ndayiragije, the new head of Burundian Diaspora. Do you think these new leaders are going to drive you to the Burundi vision 2014?
Absolutely, because we're going to use a different system. There is an old system. We're not going to the old system. We're going to a new system. Our vision is to listen and also to be inclusion. To listen to people, visit everybody, every country is going to be represented, every continent is going to be represented, and has been represented in this week. So we are thinking that in that aspect of looking things is going to be the better way of building the diaspora can actually work, help the country. We don't need word, we have to work, we have to do, we have to talk and walk. You know, not only talking, but we're going to have to produce to make sure that this country moves forward. Because we have learned in history that the diaspora has been the best for any development, any betterment of the country.
And Joe is ready to contribute today?
I'm already contributing. As now, I'm working on a project of a 5G, which means it's going to allow you guys to do the work better.
Is there any appeal you can give to different people who are watching the video today?
I mean, for the people, for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we thank them very much because they have a vision and we're going to follow that. But what I can ask is for us to make things easy for the diaspora when they come to do the project, to help us, because mostly we don't know where we go. But if we don't give a vision, it says, okay, you guys have this, let's help you to get this, to achieve it. We have equipment, we have know-how, we have technology, we can help Burundi move forward. That's our job, and it's our country. We're doing for ourselves, for our children, for our brothers, for our sisters. That's our goal. That's what we're going to do.
Thank you so much. My name is Emery Nimbo.
John Duimana, thank you very much, my friend.
Have a good time.
Yes, thank you.